Welcome back to More to See. Today we're out on Dartmoor, exploring the Buckland Beacon and heading for the Ten Commandment Rocks. Out here is probably one of Devon's best views. This is going to be a circular walk. It's already extremely windy. So let's get walking. So there we have a Rip and Tor firing range. Pan left. Right there is Rip and Tor. Keep panning around so you can see the views we've got from this walk. So here we have the hut circles. It goes all the way around. It looks absolutely massive. It continues more over to the left house as well. Here we are at the Ten Commandment Rocks. I'm going to leave you the rocks and show you this amazing view. So that woodland ahead is Boswell Wood, which we're going to be exploring in the next few weeks. So make sure to come back and check out that video soon on More to See. Awesome little feature in this stone wall here. This here is so that lambs can get through. The farmer would move big stone at the back there, let the lambs through. That was a walk up on Dartmoor, up along Buckland Beacon to the 10 Commandments Rocks and Welstor Rocks. If you enjoyed this video, do leave a like and feel free to subscribe. And thanks for walking with us. We'll see you on the next one.